How to copy contacts from Android the SIM 2023. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to copy contacts from Android the SIM 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is really quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is head over to your Play Store and download Contacts by Google. After that, click on open right here, and as you can see, this is all the contact that I have. Now what I need to do is just copy this by clicking this fix and manage. Then you can see the option to import from SIM. So click on that, and then you can just choose what SIM you want to import to. Click on OK. And then from in here, if you see contacts from your SIM, then you can actually try to import them to your account. So as you can see, a contact has been imported. Now if you want to export, you can click on this export to file, and then from in here you can just click on save, and as you can see, contacts will be exported shortly. Now if you want to restore contacts, you can also click on this one right here, and then from in here you can see this Google Contact Sync, and you can now turn on sync your device right here in order to automatically back up and sync device contacts. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to copy contacts from Android to SIM 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.